Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome back, you guys. So I'm here to do another reaction video to a recommendation by one of my viewers, hopefully, and subscribers, hopefully. But they commented for me to react to EXILE Shokichi. And I think Shokichi versus CrazyBoy. This is Get It On music video. It's about like 8 minutes long. So I'm curious. I do like me some EXILE and I do like me some CrazyBoy. Okay, with the suspense. Ooh. Oh, I can't with the drama. Suspense. Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ, how big is this dang tribe? Ooh. I'm through with the dark hair. Digimon, so Digibola champion. Come on, ladies. Okay, ladies, get information. I can't. I can't. Yes. Okay, New York. Ooh. Oh, he looks so good. This intro alone is getting me. We're like almost 2 minutes in. Oh, versus the league. Excuse moi. Oh.
Come on and bring it on. You gotta bounce to the take heaven. Kokoni kitara. Ojore up and down. Otonamo kodo momo mina round and round. Yes, una loop bass.
I love you, CrazyBoy.
Baby, turn it up.
Is that a group called EXILE the Second? Is that the group he's from? I think that's the name of it. We gonna get it up. We gonna. Chop is CrazyBoy. Know he got this. Oh, come through. Hey. We gonna get it on. Hey. Come on, ladies. One thing about this tribe. This tribe, they know how to dance. Come on. Hey. Pop a lock and drop it. Hey, back bend. Hand performance. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, ooh, come through, lights. Come through. Ow.
Just check it, your body. So that they could get the rest of we take you on a ride every night. It's a party. So what's the matter? We gonna get it out. Baby, show me what you got.
We gonna get it on.
Baby, show me what you got. It's a party.
We gonna get it on.
Baby, show me what you got. Now hands up. Bouncing all night. Don't matter.
We gonna get it on.
Baby, show me what you got.
Ow. She better do that split. Ooh, that was, God, they're so fit. Ooh. Every time I watch Exile Tribe, I just get inspired to go to the jam. Hey. Come through, face. Ooh. Satsuki. Ooh. Oh. Come through with a cornrow. Tetsu. What is it, Tai Chi? Takumi. Boy Soshse. Tracy. Okay. Ina. Hi. Katori. Tendo. Cody, Hinata, and Nyutaki, Urshu, Nosuki, Hintaro, Miyu, Gorgeous, Ian, Aki, Raiki, Ayato, Yuya, Yuti, Yote, Soldier Twig, KTR, Baby Twigs, Good Twigs, Ill Twigs. Ooh. Yeah. Come through, hands. Pa, pa, pa. Come through, ladies. Yes, Amy, yes. Haruka. Okay. As you guys can see, that was EXILE Shokichi and CrazyBoy Get It On with versus the League Get It On song. Thanks to everyone winning this video. I will say it over and over again, when it comes to the EXILE Tribe, they can dance. Dancing is not an issue for that group. Every time I react to their video and don't get blocked, I want to go to the jam because they're so physically fat. Is it wrong that I want all of them? Like, that train I will ride? Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. Thank you so much. I do love me. CrazyBoy. Konnichiwa. And thanks to the runners who recommended to react to this group. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.